Hey everyone, One Tech Traveler here, checking in HYATT Regency Jeju Island. I want to give you a hotel room tour of where I'm staying at and show you the kind of view that you get staying here whilst in Jeju. We are on the top floor, which is the 11th floor, and it is a king bed with ocean view Regency Club. This is the room. Really nice. It's actually in the corner and you can see it has two balconies. Living lounge area here. Very nice and relaxing, and it's a beautiful day outside, and you can see that is the first balcony, which we'll get onto soon. And then you have the second one over there, and then this is the king size bed. You can see it's just really lots of open space, so even by square meters it actually feels very big. Because of all the big bright windows, then actually it just opens up so much more. Going to the first balcony, so this is my favorite room, and like I said, we are on the top floor. See, it's a stunning view of the beach, which is Jungman Beach. We have the cliff garden, really nice day to enjoy the walk, and the cliff garden extends all the way to that side. And then we have the ocean view. So let's go back inside. Hey. And then this is the second balcony, so you're really spoiled for choice and enjoying both kind of views, whether it's the ocean or the beach. You have it here, but the ocean is absolutely stunning. Jeju Island is really about being that relaxing destination and getting away from all the busy life of South Korea. So if you ever get the chance to, and I do recommend it, it's the only hotel that's able to offer that cliffside ocean view. You live and breathe and soak up that ocean atmosphere, and the air is just really fresh here. It's definitely made my experience in Jeju Island much nicer, because as soon as you wake up, you have that nice sunrise view. So thanks a lot for joining me. If you have any questions about the room or anything more about HYATT Regency Jeju Island, then feel free to leave me a comment. Stay tuned for more videos and read about all of my stories and tips on my website. I'll see you in the next video, but until then, keep being awesome. Peace.